baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Today is the last day of vlog week. Today is Friday. And girl, I'm so happy it's over. No, it wasn't that hard. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. I had a lot of fun. The only thing is, you know, some days I'm like, oh, I want to just relax and just do my thing, because I am used to having days off where I do other things like catch up on my shows and just relax, whatever. And I wasn't able to do that this week. So I'm glad it's over. Really quick, I want to try this drink with you guys today. This is the Dr. D's Sparkling Probiotic Drink, and this is the flavor pineapple. I haven't tried any of it yet. So this is gluten-free, dairy-free, caffeine-free, non-GMO, live cultures, vegan, and USDA organic. So let's try it. Okay, so the first one, which is the pineapple. You know when a pineapple tastes like it's sour, like it's going bad a little bit? That's what this tastes like. So I'm not a fan. It's not real bad, but I'll never buy that flavor again. I went to IKEA and I bought the mirror. This is the name of it right here. So y'all screenshot that, because I can't link it. I think I can only do local links for IKEA. So just look it up if you like the way that this looks. So this is the one that I was telling you guys about. I bought this one for my little sister. I can get this stuff off. And she loves hers. And I told y'all that I needed a mirror. So I grabbed me one today. Let's see how we can get this out. Okay, so this is how it looks, like this on the side, and I can just sit it right here. So this is how it looks. It's really nice. I like it. So now if I wanted to do my makeup and use my back camera facing me, I can see myself. Let's try it out. This is one of my little that I put my phone on. I'll link this in the description box below. It gets really tall, so I really like this one. I've had it for a while. I don't really do too much filming in public. I'm gonna get better at it though. I just don't like people staring at me, child. So little gadgets like this that gets really tall and stuff like that, I don't really like fooling with. Yeah, see, this is perfect. So now I can see myself. Why is it blurry like that? Hold on. I'm talking about, why is it blurry, girl? Wipe your camera off. Yes. Perfect. Back camera. Girl, she is just a chocolate treat. I'm filming with the back of my camera. And there I am. Hi, girls. So we like this, right? Perfect. So we got that done. Oh, it looks real good too. Oh. Yeah, the quality with the back camera looks great. Really, really pretty. I like this a lot. Okay, so I'm happy about that. I know I'm gonna get some questions about this wig. This is an old unit. I have no idea where this hair comes from. It was in the bottom, okay? The bottom of the bag. I really need to deep condition it. But while I was in there, I found 3 different wigs that I could sell, all the same color. Now I have worn these wigs, but just for the video. I had a few companies that were promoting this color back to back. I wouldn't wear this outside. They're really pretty, but for me, y'all know I either like my balayage or my black. So this is how it look. I would wash it and stuff like this. I only wore a few minutes in the house, so I have a little bit of glue on the lace, but I would be able to take that glue and stuff off of the lace. But that's the parting on the lace. And this one I did cut like a curtain bang in the front, just a little bit, because y'all know I like the curtain bang. So this is the first one, and like I said, I'll wash it and everything. I won't style it, but I'll just wash it and let it air dry so it can be nice and fresh when you get it. And then this bob, same color, and like I said, I only wore this wig for a few minutes, so it's new. So this is the short bob, just like the bob that I've been wearing this week. It's just like that. I think that this is from the same company, but it's the color that they were promoting. Same thing. The lace is cut, of course, and it looks like that. But this one was really cute, but like I said, this color is just a little bit much for me. But the hair is real nice. So I got that one, and then I have this curly one, really pretty. Now I think I wore this one for like a day or two because I was getting so many compliments. My son loved it, Tony loved it, so I wore this one for I think the entire day, and then I took it off. But the same thing, this is the lace, and it's a curly unit. Really, really pretty. So like I said, I'll wash them. And then if you girls are interested, hit me up on Instagram. Let me know which one you want, and we can make the transaction. Okay, you have to have Cash App, and we'll get these together. So I'm letting them go for $150, but you have to pay for shipping. So I think the last 2 that I sent out was like $11 for the shipping. So $160, and you guys can get you one. So this one is a straight unit. I think this one might be like a body wave, but I put more curls in it, the bob, and then the curly unit. So let me know. I'll wash them, let them air dry, and I'll send them out on Monday. So today is Friday, like I said, and I am gonna cook some seafood today. I'm really excited about it because I feel like I haven't had a proper seafood boil in a minute. We ate a lot of seafood during football season because that was just our thing. On Sundays, we like to cook seafood, eat our seafood, watch the game, and we haven't did that in a while. So we're gonna do that today. We did go pick up the seafood. And so I'm gonna take you guys in the kitchen. I feel like I haven't did a seafood boil on camera in a while. I'm not doing a mukbang. Those of you that's new, I do have a mukbang channel right here if you guys are interested. I no longer do mukbangs, but those videos are still available for your enjoyment. I do story time, seafood look bomb, pretty drinks. I had the whole thing. So let's go in the kitchen and get started. Y'all, first things first, this is the seafood seasoning that I like to use, the Florida seafood seasoning. I really like this. It's really good. And then we went to 2 different locations because The first one that we went to, the snow crab or the Dungeness crab, were pretty small, so we just got snow crabs from there, and we only paid $30.79 for 4 snow crabs. And I'm not gonna cook all of this because that'll just drag the video out, so I'll just show y'all, you know, a little one too. Alright, so I'll do 2 snow crabs to another location for the Dungeness, and we got 4 of those, and we only paid $21.58. So our seafood here is really reasonable. And then we got a lobster. I wanted to do some green lip mussels, but they didn't have any, so couldn't do that today. But the box of green lip mussels is maybe like $11 or something like that. So then I'm just gonna wash these off really quick. Okay, so if you guys are new here, y'all know I don't really mess with measurements like that. I just basically wing it. I've done this so many times, so I kind of can eyeball how much is enough. So I'm gonna just take my seasoning pack and just sprinkle some of this seasoning in. I don't do too much to my pot. I like to keep mine nice and simple. This seafood seasoning right here, I'm telling y'all, it's so good. We have a few different ones here in Jacksonville that I like, but that one is our favorite. And then I take some garlic powder. I'm gonna take the top off. I just sprinkle some of that. I love garlic. And then I also take some smoked paprika. Put that in there. And then I take a slice of bell pepper. Y'all have to add bell pepper into your seafood water because it changes the game, trust me. And then I'm gonna take some of this butter right here, and I just drop some of that in. Now you can taste your water to make sure it's not too salty. People don't like salty seafood. I know I don't. I already got enough salt, okay, from the sea. So so taste your water, see if you need to add anything or if you need to start your pot of water over, because like I said, I have had some salty seafood and it's just not enjoyable. So you want to make sure that you get your pot water right. And then y'all already know I'm a lemon girl, so I also add a lemon to my water. So we're just gonna let that boil and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so while we're waiting on the water to boil and get all the flavors and stuff in there, we're gonna go ahead and make my seafood dip. I cannot eat my seafood without mayo and mustard dip. So if you ever invite me over your house, Erica, make sure you have the mayo and mustard dip. But you're a Jacksonville girl, so I know you're gonna have it. That girl ain't thinking about me. Okay. So this is how I make my dip. Now, like I said, I really think that this is a Florida thing. Like, we do this. There's a lot of different ways to make it. This is just how I make mine. So I add my mayo and mustard dip. It's not a specific amount of mayo or mustard that you have to add, but the mayo is the base of the dip. And you have to have mayo, not Miracle Whip, because Miracle Whip is a little sweet. But people make this dip in different ways. And then I just add my mustard. About that much will work for me. I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon, just a little bit, because you don't want it too runny. And then I used to add my Frank's buffalo sauce, but now I use this. This flavor is so good. If you can pick this up at your Asian market, grab your bottle. We only use it for our salt, for our dip. So I do like that much because it is spicy. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, and then I would usually add a little bit of accent in it, but we're trying to get off of accent because it's not the best for you, but it tastes so good. So we don't have any accent. And we just mix it up. Some people think this weird, which when I first started doing my mukbangs, like everybody would say like in the comments like, why are you doing that? Where's the butter? And I'm like, girl, please don't knock it till you try it. But most restaurants, like if you order stone crab, they serve like a sauce like this. So, perfect. So good. All right, the water has been boiling now for maybe like 5 minutes. Let me see. I'm trying to hold y'all in the right angle so my camera doesn't fog up. But now what I'm gonna do is drop the seafood. Now, to those of you that's new to cooking seafood, let me give you a tip. You see this? This is a crab cluster. It's already cooked, okay? We boil our seafood. Some people steam it, which probably is better if you're a beginner. But we boil our seafood. It's already cooked. So the last thing that you want to do is leave these things in the pot until everything is cooked in the pot. Like people that do that, risking it all, because what can happen is the shell will get really soft and it sucks. Me personally, I don't like that. I like to cook all of my stuff separate, but I'm not gonna do the corn, potatoes, all that stuff. We're just gonna drop the crab legs in. So I'll say you really just knocking the chill off of the crab legs, really. Now the reason why Dungeness crab is my favorite, because Dungeness crab, and this is just my opinion, Dungeness crab and blue crab hold the most flavor. Like they soak up the most flavor to me. I can turn that down a little bit, and I can cook all of this together just because I've done this for a while. I'm not gonna cook the lobster right now because I like to cut it in half, and I like my husband to do that for me, and he went to pick up our son from school. So cut this up. All right, we'll cover that up for a little bit. This is how it looks, and it is done. Time to pull them out. All right, and here are the crab legs. Now I do the butter sometimes, not all the time. Tonight I decided that I didn't want it because it's that time of the month. I'm already feeling a little bloated, but here's my crab legs. So good. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. Okay, y'all, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed vlog week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Iamsherikab and TikTok Sherikab2, and I'll see you guys in a few days. I'll holler.
I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.